In New Jersey, Governor Phil Murphy says the state is at war with the virus, and he says families should not expect students to return to school anytime soon. Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan is in South Jersey tonight with more on the growing concerns as cases continue to soar. Cleve?
That's right, Yuki. The cases piling up in New Jersey, almost 2,500 new cases. But Governor Murphy says if there is a silver lining to that, it's getting a better sense of the spread of the virus.
We've told you these numbers are going up. Sadly, the number of lost lives is going up.
Addressing the media as he does every afternoon, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy announced nearly 2,500 new cases of COVID-19, by far the largest single-day jump to date. And along with that, 19 more deaths. That brings the state totals to 6,876 cases and 81 deaths.
I cannot say in any stronger possible terms how important it is that we pull through this together.
And now New Jersey is getting some new help in the COVID-19 battle. Thursday, FEMA announced a major disaster declaration for New Jersey, which will release additional resources for healthcare facilities that are struggling in some areas to keep up with the growing number of severely sick people.
Our expectation is that the need for critical beds is being felt now and prior to what we would call the actual surge of all cases requiring hospitalization.
New Jersey is trying to acquire more critical care capacity and ventilators. Cooper Health has now been assigned the task of monitoring surge capacity for all hospitals in South Jersey. On the economic front, a new state measure will dole out $75 million to help struggling businesses with grants and no-interest loans. And as far as schools, Murphy says he won't even consider reopening them until after April 17th, as he urges everyone to continue with self-isolation and social distancing.
There is a reason, and it is a big reason. We want to be on the battlefield saving every single life we can, keeping the number of folks who are ill to as small a number as humanly possible.
Governor Murphy says he's very encouraged by the hundreds of people that have donated supplies like face masks to first responders and healthcare workers, and he asks people to continue to do that. Reporting live, Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.